Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. So we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame because I just wanted to mention that in my most recent video on Monday, I said that if this really is a running ABC correction, which it definitely looks like it is, then 100% is the likely target. I also said that it could turn into an expanding, which would put us all the way up into this area. But when it went up to the 100%, it made such an aggressive turn it was very, very obvious and very, very clear that it was a running ABC correction. What happens at the end of an ABC correction? It continues the prevailing longer time frame downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I really do not think that this trend is over. I mean, we definitely do have a break in a series of lower lows, lower highs. We're starting to get some higher lows, so most likely this wave is over. But more than likely, this move up is almost definitely going to be a pullback to this last wave down. I would expect at least a 23, maybe even a 38% pullback, but I definitely would be looking for three-wave counter trend moves to go short still for the continuation of this downtrend. Like I said, I would prefer to see a little bit of a bigger pullback, maybe like a 23 or 38% pullback. But if I see some sort of a 1, 2, 3 way pullback up to a Fibonacci level and another impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely will take it as a short on the dollar index via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.